What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more SMMA videos just like this. So I'm gonna be going over the top SMMA niches for 2023. After running my agency for over 4+ years, I'm gonna go over the best niches and trending niches that you should be going after if you're an SMMA owner in 2023. Number one is local service businesses. And the reason why is because it's easier to get them results. You know, running small lead gen landing pages, you know, with Zapier automations that will text that lead information to their sales rep or to that business owner. It's very easy to show that business owner results. So if you're an SMA owner and you're struggling right now to keep your clients retention-wise, struggling with results, struggling with actually having like KPI-driven, you know, deliverables that you can give the client, then this is the best niche for you. I've ran probably over 100+ campaigns for local service businesses. They stay around the longest. E-com stores and those niches, it's harder to keep the clients because of margins and like fulfillment and AOV and product lines and upsells and all that you really can't control. So being able to control the lead gen, you know, and also you can run multiple traffic sources and show that client results. So Google My Business Ads, Google search, you have TikTok traffic, which is underpriced right now, TikTok lead forms, Facebook lead forms, Facebook traffic to that landing page as well. And all the landing pages are really, really short. Just develop a really good irresistible offer and you can get a bunch of people to opt in, and you don't really need crazy ads. You can make simple video ads, simple scripts, graphics with the offer and the city in the actual title. It's really easy to get people results with local service businesses. So number two is actually gonna be local gyms, because you know, for us, we have about 5 to 10 clients right now who are local gyms and they're doing very well with lead gen. Kind of like the same thing for number one, which is a local service business, but all you really need to do with gyms is a free pass, free week of classes, free training session, and then they go to a book call. So they opt in, go to a book call. It's very easy to get those people results too, because on the lead forms that you run, you can then have that Calendly or whatever their calendar booking link is, and just have that on the confirmation page of the lead form, or make a small landing page as well. Number three is definitely gonna be credit repair. Credit repair has always been a big niche for us. It's easy to get the clients results as far as leads because there's so many people who have poor credit. So we run a lot of message ads to a booked call with a small script. And then that brings me to number four, which is business funding. Business funding or, personal funding. Those are really good niches. Business funding is always in demand. We have about 5 to 10 clients as well who are running business funding campaigns with us, and we're doing very well with just message ads, like message us the word fund or message us the word funding, and then they chat, and then they, obviously build rapport, ask qualifying questions, and then get them to book a call. And then the fifth niche that's actually really good that not a lot of people go after is people who sell businesses. Okay, and there's a lot of people who sell like shelf corporations, people who sell, already existing businesses, Airbnbs, trucking, all of these different, automation-based businesses. It's very easy for us to get people leads for that because people just want to buy businesses that are already churning cash. They don't want to deal with all the startup stuff. They don't want to deal with all the legwork in the beginning. So that's a huge niche, is shelf corporations and also automation. So all the people who are selling like $40,000 Amazon stores, $20,000 Walmart automation, Shopify automation, all these different high ticket things are very easy to churn profit. So those are my top 5 niches for 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're an agency owner right now and you're struggling to get clients, I really want you to join my new case study program. We're doing 8 clients in 8 weeks challenge. So basically, if you don't achieve 8 clients in 8 weeks or you don't double your ROI on the investment, we'll give you a full refund. And that is our new agency program that we just released. So 8 clients in 8 weeks challenge. You can click the first link in the description below and get in. There's actually 2 options before I raise the price to probably $29.97, which is $2,997. We're doing it for $997 right now. And also we have a payment plan option, which you can pay $397 a month over 3 months. So make sure you click the first link in the description, and I hope to see you crushing it with us. So thanks again for watching today's video. Please click the link in the description below, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.